Hello everyone, it's me Ken. Uh, I decided to create a fresh video since I have noticed that it's been a very long time that I have created technical videos. To, like I said, I decided to create this afternoon. So I'm doing this on live, but I record. So once I'm done with this video, I will upload it to my YouTube channel. So, first things first, I'm not a certified trader nor a professional um, financial advisor. So, everything I'm going to discuss in this video are just my own technical analysis. The way I'm gonna look the charts now and explain in a bit. So, As you know, as you notice, if you have followed me in my Twitter account, I recently been closely watching the Bitcoin's price action, and from that I can find right now that XRP is really sharing the same price action to the crypto leader, the Bitcoin. So let me straight to the point. So I'm not going to make this video longer. So I do hope that you had a wonderful start of the year 2022. So it's just another year in our lives, in our trading journey. If you ha- so it means it seems to me that every trade trading failures we had last year 2021, let's just leave it there. And if you continue to hold your your portfolios, I give you my utmost respect. So let's go now. So let me screenshot this. Uh, so this is what I'm seeing in the Bitcoin. So here. So this is what I'm trying to say over the last week. We are here right now in a crucial weekly candle. So I already we can already see here the weekly body candle for the crypto leader. Right now that Bitcoin dominance is back. Let us check. Okay, it is back on the 40 plus dominance range. So let me give you my analysis. So the I'm seeing right now that Bitcoin is sitting in three interesting but very crucial support region. So if you try to look at, guys, we are still in a bull market in the long term view. So we are going up. So we are here right now. I encircled that. So the three I'm gonna discuss right now, the three crucial support regions that I'm seeing. So this one here, this is the ATH, the previous all-time high of Bitcoin at 69K. Last year we had it. So that is our first supportive trend line. So very steep, and it's like in really we are in, or we are facing that trend line. But luckily we able to break that last 3 weeks ago. But sadly we face a resistance at this point. So you can see that that is our uh, like me for now on this current pace, current rally, that is our major resistance found at the 53 uh, mark. So that is the first one. The next uh, supportive trend line that I'm seeing is this one. This one. So I'm gonna call this one the higher low trend channel. As you can see, we are still in the bull market for the Bitcoin, led by Bitcoin. That so that is our the second one, like I said, and we are currently near that mark. And that the third one is this. This is a very important. I call this one the flipped previous just last year we faced it during the the rally when Bitcoin managed to make a lot of all-time highs. So it tried to uh, sorry, it went a very beautiful bullish extreme greediness by the buyers and was able to touch here. So this was the first uh, resistance here. So that is previously. So right now it was tested somewhere in September as we head to October last year. So it was supported when Bitcoin tried to make it around here when we had the April to July brutal months of being in a downtrend. So this one here is the crucial resistance uh, resistance region. So right now it flipped. That is why I called it. I like to use the term flip SR because currently it is now a support. We can see a huge weekly bullish hammer candle forming right now. So let's go back to the live chart. So let's go let's go to the faster time frames, especially the 1 hour. So last night, let me turn off the volume. So last night, the Bitcoin buyers tried to shake, tried to. There was a movement last night. So a large of selling volume happened last night. But the good thing, although we face a fresh uh, lower low here, but we are still able to sustain in this crucial supportive line. I really want to say that we are still in the game for Bitcoin to start either two things, either to make the this another move higher, or either we will consolidate here somewhere here. We consolidate here. So if this happens, either of these two things will occur, then it's good thing for the alts. So I just want to show you what happened last night. So there was a volatile movement last night. You can see. Let me turn on the volume so you can see the volume, guys, right here. So there is selling. So this is a good pickup by the buyers. They were able to respond it quickly. So those weekends got scammed maybe. So that is what I told in my Twitter. Everything as far as possible, I immediately tweet to my Twitter account, post in my Twitter account the sudden changes or movements in the Bitcoin chart. So next thing happened is we were able to go back and retest this mark here. Right now, there are three resistance levels uh, that I uh, that I can see for the Bitcoin. So we are in a steepy descending wedge. So let me screenshot this again. So if we try to count the waves in the weekly time frame, so it's like we are in a very, this is the pattern that like that. So we are in this trend, descending wedge. So this is the previous end of the wave, of the motive wave. This is the start here, the one wave. It was the previous ABC correction, A, then B, then C. So one, two, three. Oh, sorry, one, two. Then this is the three. Then four, five. So right now we are here. A, B, then C, D. Then we might. So it looks like Bitcoin is gonna make an E wave, but still part in this descending or descending wedge. So that is bound for reversal as long as we are going to stay above this current line in the number three supportive line. So that's it. The first, there are two resistances that I can see in the Bitcoin. So the first one is 43,000 and the 44,000. So we need to break that. So hopefully we will able to sustain this current weekly candle, and the next move maybe will occur again next week. So we keep an eye. I'm not saying that uh, Bitcoin is safe right now, but so far that we are still in the D, maybe D, because we are in steepy correction like what happened here. Next thing happened is bullish. So we might have another move up here, then down, then after that fresh motive wave in the Elliott theory. So that's it, guys. I hope you catch my point here. So I go right now to the XRP. XRP also have its own clip spacing. So I tweeted out that earlier. So pardon me, guys. It's been a while that I have created a lot of a lot fresh videos. So right now I'm doing this in prompto. I'm not having any script. So everything I say here is just come out of my brain. And like I said here, XRP is also sitting in its own version of clip. So let me click this one. So we are in the counter trend right now. This one, let me screenshot this this one. I want to explain this further. So XRP, this is the XRP. We are still forming the higher long term, the higher low trend line. We are good. So one, two, three. Where we are in the three, the third part right now. So like Bitcoin, XRP and Bitcoin shares price action at the moment. It's facing this pattern here. So if for XRP's case, if we cannot sustain this current price level right now, so there might be a possibility that we will test the previous low last year, last June and July, double bottom. So right here. So this is a very important mark right now. I hope this is this is a reversal sign. So next stop is the point 80. Now resistance, a lot of resistances above. So either we go sideways like I explained in Bitcoin, or we retrace back higher. So XRP right now is still on the side, the news side, still facing the ongoing lawsuit with the Ripple. And it's good thing to see that Jed McCaleb, the one of the co-founder, creator of XRP, and the previous CTO of Ripple. Correct me if I'm wrong. So at least he resumed selling lately as early as uh, last January 3. So this is a good sign, as long as he needs to sell this out until his entire XRP holdings is done. So I'm really not interested right now in the news. The only news that I really keep an eye on is the ongoing lawsuit between the US Security Exchange Commission and the Ripple company. So also we need to understand that the the US dollar, I know we are in crypto, but it needs it's not a bad thing to look at the traditional markets. Excuse me. Sorry, don't worry, I'm not having COVID. So I'm just you know, nervous in creating this video again. So we need to understand that not we need to look at that not only crypto is having a bad time right now or facing a downtrend. So there is uh, also some volatile action in the traditional markets like the forex, right? And the stocks, especially now that the the Fed, Federal Reserve of US, uh, led by its chairman, that they have turned into hawkish mood. So I already post that in my Twitter as well last week, as far as I remember. So let me scan it. Okay, here. So to make it to summarize it, the US dollar is strengthening right now because the the Fed decided to become hook mode. So if you want to know what is hook mode on, you can ask me. You can comment down on the video below, and that's it, guys. I hope that for now Bitcoin will hold the current levels. This is a very important week. This is a sign of reversal. We're still in the ABCD correction, like what happened here. So three supported, like I mentioned in the first part of my video, the three supportive regions of Bitcoin was tested this week, and XRP shared price action with Bitcoin. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learned. If you have any questions, just comment down. Just reach me by commenting below or sending me message in my Twitter account. So that is, guys. That is, guys. Thanks a lot, and I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe. God bless.